Amy and Zaro have 3,200 cards. Amy has 4 times as many cards as Zaro. So if we use the box method, if Zaro had 1 box, Amy would have 4 times as many, which is 4 boxes. Now the total number for all 5 boxes is 3,200 cards. Our goal is to find 1 box. If 5 boxes is equal to 3,200 cards, then 1 box is equal to 3,200 divided by 5. Let's do the working on the side. 3,200 divided by 5 is equal to 640. So 1 box is equal to 640. Each of these boxes is also equal to 640. Let's find the total for Amy and Zaro. Amy has 640 times by 4, which is equal to 2,560. Zaro has 640 cards. If they had equal, Amy would have 1,600 cards and Zaro would also have 1,600 cards because 1,600 plus 1,600 is equal to 3,200. So how many cards does Amy need to give to Zaro so that they would have equal, so that Amy would only have 1,600? 2,560 minus 1,600. Amy needs to give 960 cards. The answer is 960.